Hi everyone, I'm Siuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to edit photos using CapCut. CapCut offers simple tools to enhance your images from filters to effects, making your edits more creative. So, let's get started on how to edit photos using CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap on the photo editor option from the top left corner of your screen. Select the photo that you want to edit. Then tap on the edit button from the bottom right corner. Here, you can resize the photo, add text, shapes, stickers or filters and adjust brightness, contrast or other settings. Make any changes you want. After you are done with the edits, tap on the export button located in the top right corner to save your photo. And this is how you can edit photos using CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.